wow, difference made, period. Hey guys, it's Maya. So today I just filmed this everyday makeup look, and I don't wear makeup every day. Most of the times I'm actually not wearing makeup at all. But you know, if I were to do my makeup every day, this would be the makeup look that I'd go to, maybe minus the eyeliner and minus like the lip combo, that sort of thing. But other than that, this is it. This is like the basics. So I didn't use any foundation for this. It's just concealer and powder, like that's it. And yeah, it's like really easy. I can probably do this in about 15-20 minutes depending on how fast I need to go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So I'm gonna start out with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich face base, and I got this with my points from Sephora, and like look how tiny it is. Like, and there's a decent amount of product in here too, and this is only 100 points. So let me do my eyebrows. So I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in a minute because last time I got them done, I didn't like how the lady did them, and I didn't go to my normal lady, so that's probably why. But I wasn't really a fan. So I'm growing them out again, and then either I'm gonna start doing them myself or I'm going to go to my lady. Okay, period. I just folded my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna clean them up using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this concealer is like my shade, like my match. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, same thing, and I'm just gonna be using it to cover some of my pimples, or like all of my pimples that I have, and like dark marks and stuff like that. And I'm just going to also pour around my nose. I'm gonna let this sit for a minute so that when I blend it in, like I can get the fullest coverage possible. I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes with the same concealer. And now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm gonna go in with this brush, and this is a Real Techniques brush, and just kind of like blend out, because I didn't want any of the like product being soaked up, because as you can see, like look, there's so much product being soaked up by that. So using a brush this time. And then I'm actually gonna go underneath my eyes with this too. I forgot I've been really into like brushes lately, and then you just kind of bring it down. So like most of the product is focused here, but then you just drag it down on your skin so that you don't necessarily have to wear foundation. It just kind of does that for you. I'm gonna take a little more here, here, and here, just to brighten up the area, you know, a little more. I'm gonna take some of this, and you could use a brush for this, but I prefer a sponge. So, but it's up to you. I'm just gonna set lightly underneath my eyes and on top of my eyes, my eyelids. Okay, so I'm just doing like all of the parts that I like hit with the highlighter. And I'm just gonna do this area over here, like that. The sides of my nose too. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal True Match powder and set my whole face. And when I tell you, I've had this powder for so long, it's gross at this point. That's how long I've had it for. I'm gonna take some bronzer, and this is from the Maybelline Master Bronze palette. Yeah, it's just the bronzing palette. I don't know. I'm just gonna mix both of them. I like mixing both of them, and I love bronzing my face. And like, this is like a nice subtle bronze for me. So that's why I like it for the most part, because it's like not too much, but it's also not matte. It's very like natural. Then blush. This is the Milani blush in Rose Doro. This is my favorite blush. And I just like to like kind of mesh it in with my bronzer and then a little on my nose. But I like blush, so I like just put it on. Okay, so since I'm pale, I'm gonna drag down my bronzer on my chest so it doesn't look so white and then like tan. Wow, difference made, period. Yeah, so I already set my face. I'm going to add a little bit of black eyeliner, my top lash line, and I'm just gonna wing it out just a little bit. I'm gonna be using the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal mascara. Wow, a look. And I don't even know, like, part of me doesn't even want to add highlighter because it looks so pretty, but the part of me always wants to add highlighter. So you know what, since I don't want to add a lot, normally if I want to add like a whole bunch, I would mix. This is still the Maybelline Master Bronze. I would mix both of these. Right now I'm just gonna use this. See where that gets me? Onto my nose. There. Here. And there. Yeah, no. I'm gonna add some of this. Not too much though. So I'm gonna be taking the BFFL. Oh no, this is Pitch. Sorry, this is Pitch ColourPop lip liner. I already have on some like excess lip balm, so that's why it's blending so easily. And then I'm gonna take this NYX London soft matte lip cream. And if you want to keep it matte, well, if you want to keep it matte, you can, but I'm not really a matte type of girl. So then I'm gonna be taking this Color Icon lip gloss from Wet n Wild, and this is in Aquarius, I think. Yeah, and it just looks like that. And it's like basically a clear gloss. Period. I'll be taking these with me in my bag. Hot sauce in my bag swag. I normally put a little bit of the highlighter in my inner corner. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one.